ऑफ कोर्स।
तुम फिर आ गए।
2 साल हो गए लेकिन भाई है यहाँ पे।
आवाज नहीं बदली अब तक। व्हाट्स अप ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो? सब ठीक है? घर पे सब ठीक? हेल्थ इज गुड? थोड़ा ऐसा पूछ लिया कर यार। ऑल वेल? गुड टू सी यू।
कैन वी गेट अ माइक टू हिम?
शायद हर
तू अभी भी डेंजरस क्वेश्चन पूछेगा या थोड़ा शरीफ हो जाएगा? मैंने पूरा ट्राई किया है कि देखो मैं
आप
नहीं, go for
जिस
it,
तरह
go for
के सवाल आप चाहेंगे आपको उस तरह के सवाल प्रेजेंट करूंगा मैं। सो अगर आप बोले कि
एक सेकंड।
इन 2 सालों में ऐसा
शाहिद,
क्या
कैसा
हुआ
सवाल
था जो तो
चाहिए?
इतना बदल गया? आई एम नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डील विद इट ब्रदर।
शायद व्हाट काइंड, मल्टीपल चॉइस। शायद कैसा सवाल चाहिए आपको?
हाँ?
कैसा सवाल चाहिए आपको?
बस तुम्हारे दिल में जो है यार पूछ लो,
सिर्फ
इसी
दो
का तो
सवाल
डर।
है मेरे।
जवाब भी वैसे ही मिलेंगे।
सिर्फ 2 सवाल हैं शाहिद जी मेरे। पहला कि कौन सी, हर क्रिकेटर का अपना एक फेवरेट नंबर होता है, तो कौन सी नंबर की जर्सी पहनना चाहते हैं आप, या फेवरेट नंबर है होता है आपका?
मुझे ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक नंबर नहीं है। मुझे जर्सी फिल्म में अर्जुन का जो कैरेक्टर है उसकी जर्सी पहनना सबसे अच्छा लगा, और आम जिंदगी में मुझे ब्लू जर्सी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, हमारे देश की जर्सी है, और वो 11 की 11 जर्सीज मेरे लिए उतनी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं बिकॉज इवेंचुअली टीम जिताती है देश को। सो ऑल दोज जर्सीज आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट।
सुपर। एंड शाहिद जी, बॉलर को छक्के मारना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं या बीबी के हाथ से मार खाना?
देखा, मैं वेट कर रहा था। इतना सलीके वाला सवाल पूछा ना पहला वाला। I was like,
पहला
दूसरा
सवाल
आएगा।
इसने अभी ऐसे इम्प्रॉम्प्टू
Bouncer.
सोच लिया। जर्सी पिक्चर का नाम है, जर्सी पे नंबर होता है। चल तेरे को कौन सा जर्सी का अच्छा लगता है नंबर, भाई बता दे, है ना? ट्राई टू सॉफ्टन इट अप। आपकी शादी हो गई बेटे?
हाँ जी, हो गई।
तो ये आप एक्सपीरियंस से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं? आपको
नहीं, वो-
बहुत मार पड़ चुकी है अपनी बीवी
मैंने
से?
ट्रेलर में है ना, इसलिए मैंने पूछा।
बेटा पिक्चर है, तू कबीर सिंह के टाइम पे भी यही कर रहा था।
सर,
जो
वही तो-
पिक्चर में होता है वो आम जिंदगी में मेरे साथ नहीं होता, इसलिए मैं एक्टर हूँ।
सर उसी में
मैं
ज़्यादा
एक्टिंग करता हूँ।
उसी में ज़्यादा व्यू आते हैं सर, अगर आप
सच बोल दिया आज भाई ने दिल से।
यार इसका जवाब देना बड़ा मुश्किल है। अगर मैंने ना बोला तो मीरा बोलेगी हाउ डेयर यू नॉट गिव मी इंपॉर्टेंस, और अगर मैंने हाँ बोला तो मीरा बोलेगी हाउ डेयर यू टेल एवरीबडी व्हाट हैपेंस इन द हाउस। तो आई वुड रादर नॉट आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन।
Okay, next question.
Shahid. Shahid, Bhartiya.
Hi Bharti, how are you?
I'm good.
Long time, how have you
Yeah,
been?
I'm good.
Awesome.
How's working with your dad? I want to know about that. And of course, my friend Aman.
Have you ever worked with your? Acha, you put Aman and my dad together. These are very two different people with two very different experiences I've had. So, have you ever worked with your dad? I know, but I'm asking you. थोड़ा फायदा होता है अगर आपको कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं. It's very scary to work with your dad, especially when he is an actor. Oh, I have to tell you a nice fun story, okay? So this scene you saw where he's having tea and me and him are talking to each other and he says, "Oh, ground shoot gaya," and all, right? So that was his first day of shooting. And I had shot about 15 days with, Gautam, and, I felt he's very happy with me as a director, and, I'm bringing something fresh to this role and whatever. And so we started the scene, and for some reason, Gautam took his shot first, because we're against each other. So either the camera's behind me or behind him. So he took his shot first, right? And my dad did the take, and suddenly I saw Gautam's expression has changed. Okay. So I looked at him, I said, "What happened, man?" Like, and he very serious. He went up to dad and he said, "Outstanding, sir. We're moving on." Then he walked into a corner alone. So I walked behind him. I was like, "What's going on here?" I got a little nervous. So I said, "Kya hua, Gautam sir? Kya hua?" So he says, "Sir, I'm very concerned." I said, "What happened?" "You'll be able to match his performance in your shot because he's outstanding. People will not look at you. You better be very good in the shot." So that's how my dad is. And so I don't think I need to explain my experience any further. It's pretty nerve-wracking working with him. But it's also a pleasure working with him, because if you're an actor at heart... Sorry? I'm not intimidated by him. Intimidation is the wrong word. When you have so much respect and regard for somebody, you really want to be able to do your best. And like I was saying, if you're an actor at heart, it's amazing standing in the frame with a great actor and seeing them do something, regardless of whether he's my father or not, right? This is about two people standing in the frame as actors. That's what that's about. And it's just amazing seeing what he's doing with his craft and trying to react to it honestly and learning from it. So I would want to work with people like him when I worked with Irfan sir, when I worked with Tabu ma'am or Kiki sir, or any of these people, you know, these are phenomenal actors. Being in the frame with them is like learning how to act. And eventually that's what we're here to do. I mean, I've been doing this for almost 20 years now, but there's so much to learn, you know, and so it's great to learn. It's very scary when you feel like you are the best thing in whatever that you're doing. It's very scary because what are you going to gain out of it? You're going to gain nothing. So I think it's a privilege for me to get to share, you know, screen space with actors of his caliber, and we're very fortunate to have him for the film. Aman was so scared to offer him the role, you know. So I know. And with regard to Aman, me and Aman have known each other for what, 18 years now. We've known each other for like 14, 15 years. The first time I saw Aman was when there was a marketing meeting for Jab We Met. And this dude walked in, he had a French beard at that time and used to take himself very seriously. He's chilled out a lot more now. You know, life does that to you. As you get older, you don't take yourself seriously anymore. So it's, I think, happened to me and him. And so we've known each other for a very long period of time. And I am very happy for Aman because I have waited for something big to happen in my life. And this is his first film, Hindi film, as a producer. It is? Mic pe bolna. Say it's my first film as a Hindi film producer. You know, this is not Aman at all. You have to see him when the cameras are not on. He's the loudest guy in the room, okay? He's just shy right now. So I want to say, like, I'm the happiest for Aman because, you know, I've waited for him to get a big opportunity and to go out there and express himself as a creative person. And so I think, like, it's amazing that we got to do this together and we started our journey together. And I wish him all the best for his entire career. He's one of the best producers that I've ever worked with, if not the best producer that I've worked with. I've had a great time working with
I
him.
agree.
Thank you, sir.
अरे अभी तो थिएटर खुले हैं यार, उसका प्रेशर काफ़ी नहीं है, अभी 200 करोड़ 300 करोड़ यार, हम इंसान हैं, इतना ही प्रेशर डालो हमारे ऊपर. पता चलेगा अभी सेकंड टाइम एंट्री मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, पता चल जाएगा, नहीं तो हम वापस चले जाएंगे. वी आर यूज्ड टू इट, हियर देयर एवरीवेयर, काम मिलता रहे बस.
Hi, Shahid.
Next question coming from
hi.
which? Can you put your hand
here.
up, sir?
Right, yeah, my hand is up.
Okay, go ahead.
Left side. Shahid, hi. Russell here from Bollywood Live, straight diagonally.
Hey Russell, what's up?
How are you doing? How's your health? Everything at home fine?
Everything is fine, Russell.
Okay. Shahid, first of all, I would like to know who's your all-time favorite cricketer and why?
Well, Sachin Tendulkar.
You don't have to
He's-
give a why for that.
I don't think anybody needs to give a why. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've grown up watching him play, and he's just been like the biggest persona, in fact, for me, in all of the country. He was just exceptional, exceptional.
Okay. Also, now that you're doing Jersey straight after Kabir Singh, would you say that doing a remake of a very successful South movie with the same director, same kind of creative team on board is a safer bet at the box office?
See, it definitely helps when you do a remake. It's very helpful to know what you're doing. I've been a part of a few movies which I thought were going to be a certain way, and then when I saw them, I was like, मैं यही साइन किया था. ये स्क्रिप्ट बोला वापस खोल के यही था क्या पिक्चर. So I've had some very scary experiences. So I must confess that being a part of a remake is definitely helpful as an actor because you understand what the story is and you understand how the filmmaker wants to express himself while, you know, putting that story together and bringing his vision to it. But actually, when I did Kabir Singh and now when I've done this film, I've realized you'll never believe me. You'll think like, bas bol raha hai. It's very difficult to do a remake and sometimes even tougher than playing an original character because you have to make it fresh. It cannot look like a copy-paste. It cannot look like you're just picking up something and recreating it. You have to rediscover it all over again. I remember when me and Sandeep also worked together on Kabir Singh, we had so many conversations because, you know, sometimes I had to say, can Arjun Reddy leave the room so Kabir Singh can enter this room? Because it's just so difficult. How do you understand? It's so difficult for a filmmaker who's created a character which is so close to their heart to give it to another actor, you know? That insecurity of what if this actor doesn't understand what I need, or what if this actor makes it something it's not because he wants to do it his way, you know. So it's very difficult to find that balance, and it's very challenging. And I really feel this version of Jersey is it's very different from the original. I mean, when you see the film, you'll understand it's the same story, but when the character changes, when the milieu changes, we've taken this film to Chandigarh. So he's a Punjabi guy. We've brought a lot of small changes. She's playing a character who's from down south. She's playing a Telugu girl in the film. So that relationship is very different. The way this character behaves, the way his angst comes through, the way he hides his pain is very different from the original, you know. And I think that's something I realized after I did a couple of remakes, that, you know, once the actor changes and once the cultural milieu changes, the language changes, if it's the same, you're probably doing something wrong, because it's not going to land for that audience and for that culture. You have to bring authenticity to that story for the backdrop that you're placing it against and for the person that you're creating. So I think this Arjun, and it's strange that I did a remake of Arjun Reddy, but I was Kabir Singh, and now I'm doing a film where I'm playing the character of Arjun. It's funny like that.
Full circle.
but yeah, I think this Arjun is very different from the other Arjun. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I think I'm very thankful that Gautam was very, he was very happy with me trying to bring something fresh to it. And I'm always afraid, right? Because I always would ask him, I hope it's not going somewhere wrong. And he allowed me to express myself a certain way. And actually, it was really difficult for him. So it was easy for me, right? It's the first time I'm doing it. And maybe this question is more relevant to Gautam as how it is to make the same film in a different language with a different actor and then do it all over again. You know?
Yeah, right.
One sec. Gautam, if you can answer the question that...
I mean, when I met Shahid Kapoor for the first time about doing...
So you've not called me Shahid Kapoor for so long, that felt very strange.
I'm not addressing
Please don't
you,
call me Shahid Kapoor, so I feel very strange.
Yeah, when I met Shahid sir for the first time, when we were discussing about doing this film, doing the same film again, our idea is not to remake, as he said. We want to rediscover the main character and tell the story to a wider number of audience in a different way. My approach to directing is not to, my approach to direction is not to tell the actors how to act, what to do and stuff like that. I talk to them more. And I want the actor to find the character in the space of the film. So that's what helped this film to turn out to be much more original in its own way. I did a similar approach when I was working with Nani sir. So I had to talk to him as much as possible about the character, the backstory, how it is. And I want the actor to find his character in that space of the film. So I worked on both the films. For me, they seem like two different films, two different versions, and I'm fortunate I can do that. Yeah.
Arvind sir, straight ahead, Russell here again. Arvind sir, hi. There was a time, and a lot of collaborations used to happen. We saw movies like Giraftar, where Amitabh Bachchan, Rajnikant, Kamal Hassan used to come together. Even Chiranjeevi has done movies with Juhi Chawla. Considering you are such a big producer, and now boundaries have erased, any plans of doing a big project where, say, you have a big star like Shahid and along with Allu Arjun together in a movie? What about plans like that?
Not exactly the same, but I have big plans. But this occasion has to be limited to this because I want Jersey to, if I announce that, that will become a news. So let me hold it for some more time.
Hi, Shahid. Hi, Shahid.
Faizan Sir from News Helpline.
One sec. Can we have a question from this side, please? Can somebody take this mic, bro?
Shahid. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Shahid, first of all, I want to know, okay, South has been a lucky charm for you because Kabir Singh, definitely, you did a movie. Being in a Bollywood, find the South copy remake made you a boost a lot in Kabir Singh. And
तूने क्या एक सेकंड में तारीफ करके खत्म कर दिया ना? साउथ ब्लॉकबस्टर कॉपी रीमेक. एक लाइन में मैं ऊपर गया और मैं वैसे नीचे एकदम जमीन के ऊपर.
पहले भी आपकी अलग चार्मिंग थी, अलग अंदाज था, पर कबीर सिंह में आपका पूरा अंदाज बदल दिया.
जी.
सबका माइंडसेट बदल दिया कि नहीं, Shahid can do different kind of role and he's a promising actor right now. So आपको लगता है कि South, and why would South remake, मतलब again a South
यार ये तो
movie.
बार बार साउथ बोल रहा है ना, ये बड़ा ऑफेंसिव है. साउथ में ना बड़े सारे स्टेट्स होते हैं, तो बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट विच. दिस इज माय सेकंड तेलुगु
movie, yeah.
रीमेक, राइट?
Telugu
दिस इज अ
remake.
तेलुगु रीमेक,
Yeah.
या?
So, do you
And your next two films are not that.
Yeah, sir, they are north.
Yeah.
Next two film
so you want to
north.
tell about that?
Sorry?
Those movies, next two movies?
I'll come again. You don't want to meet me again.
Okay, I would like to meet you. Again, one more question, Mona. You have been like Tufan आपने किया. You have been a very sports lover. You are a basketball player, definitely, and you are now again cricket. Yeah. So how much the sports has been your part of life? And recently you met David Beckham. We would like to know that about that. So whole your journey, how sports has been a part of your life, and how you're much involved into it, and how this helps you in terms of movie also in your whole career part.
Not many of them know, but I used to play cricket with my brother, and I used to go watch match, the World Cups, and we used to fly when T20 started. So I remember going to Kolkata because we were supporting the team, and then it was a very overwhelming experience to even sit in the stadium and watching your team play. And I never, everything has a circle, right? Everything goes around, comes around. I never knew that, when I first watched Jersey, I knew it that I'm going to play Vidya. But how? It's very difficult. I was really scared. But for the love of cricket, आप लोग agree करोगी कि cricket तो हमारे रग-रग में बसता है, correct? सो शायद उसी के लिए. और रही बात तूफ़ान की, तो वो भी एक अलग जर्नी है, ये भी बहुत अलग जर्नी है. आपने देखा ही होगा ट्रेलर में. और विद्या ज़्यादा सपोर्ट नहीं करती है अर्जुन को, लेकिन मृणाल क्रिकेट को और शाहिद को
कहानी मत बता.
बहुत सपोर्ट करती है. सो या.
Hi Shahid, Himesh this side from Pink Villa. Shahid towards your left.
Sorry guys, there's a question that I have already.
Shahid, Vedant this side from